Module 3, Natural Language Processing. Natural Language Processing, NLP, is a field of computer science and artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP involves a range of techniques and approaches for processing and analyzing natural language data, including tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, language translation, and speech recognition. NLP has a wide range of applications, including virtual assistants, chatbots, customer service, healthcare, and finance. Overview of natural language processing and its applications. Natural language processing, NLP, is a rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP involves a range of techniques and approaches, including text analysis, machine learning, and deep learning, to process and analyze natural language data. NLP has a wide range of applications, including 1. Virtual assistants and chatbots. NLP is used to enable virtual assistants and chatbots to understand and respond to natural language queries. 2. Sentiment analysis. NLP can be used to determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text, such as positive, negative, or neutral, which is useful for applications like social media monitoring. 3. Language translation. NLP can be used to convert text from one language to another. 4. Speech recognition. NLP can be used to convert spoken language into text. 5. Text summarization. NLP can be used to automatically summarize a large piece of text. NLP has applications in a wide range of industries, including customer service, healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. As NLP techniques and models continue to advance, it is expected that their applications will continue to expand, leading to even more sophisticated language-based AI systems. Text preprocessing and feature extraction. Text preprocessing and feature extraction are essential steps in natural language processing, NLP, that help to transform raw text data into a structured format that can be used by machine learning models. Text preprocessing involves cleaning and transforming the raw text data by removing noise and irrelevant information and converting the text into a standard format. Some common text preprocessing techniques include 1. Tokenization, breaking down text into individual words or phrases, known as tokens. 2. Stop word removal, removing common words that do not carry much meaning, such as the, and, or. 3. Stemming and lemmatization, reducing words to their base form to remove variations due to tense or plurality. 4. Spell checking, correcting spelling errors in the text. Feature extraction involves transforming the preprocessed text data into a set of features that can be used by machine learning algorithms. Some common feature extraction techniques in NLP include 1. Bag of words, BAW representing text data as a matrix of word frequencies or occurrences. 2. Term frequency inverse document frequency, TF-IDF, weighing the importance of each word based on how frequently it appears in the document and across the corpus. 3. Word embeddings, representing words as dense vectors in a high-dimensional space to capture their semantic meaning. 4. Named entity recognition, identifying and categorizing named entities, such as people, places, and organizations. Sentiment analysis and text classification. Sentiment analysis and text classification are two common applications of natural language processing, NLP, that involve analyzing text data to determine its underlying sentiment or categorize it into different classes or categories. Sentiment analysis is the process of identifying and extracting the underlying sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text, such as positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis can be performed using machine learning techniques such as supervised or unsupervised learning, or using lexicon-based approaches, which rely on predefined dictionaries of words and their associated sentiment. Sentiment analysis has a wide range of applications, including brand monitoring, customer service, and social media analysis. Text classification is the process of categorizing text data into different classes or categories based on its content. Text classification can be performed using machine learning techniques such as naive Bayes, decision trees, random forest, support vector machines, SVMs, and neural networks. Some common applications of text classification include spam filtering, news categorization, and content moderation. Both sentiment analysis and text classification are important applications of NLP that enable machines to understand and interpret the meaning of human language. These techniques have a wide range of applications in different industries, including marketing, customer service, social media analysis, and more. Named entity recognition and topic modeling. Named entity recognition and topic modeling are two common applications of natural language processing, NLP, that involve analyzing text data to extract useful information. Named entity recognition, NER, is the process of identifying and extracting named entities such as people, places, organizations, and dates from unstructured text data. NER is a fundamental step in many NLP applications such as information retrieval, question answering, and machine translation. NER is typically performed using machine learning algorithms such as conditional random fields, CRF, or named entity recognition and classification, NERC, models. Topic modeling is the process of identifying and extracting hidden topics or themes from a large corpus of text data. Topic modeling is useful for analyzing large collections of unstructured text data, such as news articles, social media posts, and research papers. The most common technique for topic modeling is latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, which identifies the most probable topics present in the corpus based on the frequency of co-occurring words. Both NER and topic modeling are important applications of NLP that help to extract useful information from unstructured text data. These techniques have a wide range of applications in different industries, including finance, healthcare, and marketing, where they are used for tasks such as information extraction, content analysis, and customer profiling.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.